Hello, I'm Jen, and this is your Daily Makeup Minute for January 3rd, 2018. Pat McGrath will launch Lip Fetish Iconically Indispensable tomorrow, January 4th at noon Eastern. Sign up at their site for early access. Kat Von D's collab with Billie Joe Armstrong of Green Day, the BASKETCASE Anti-precision Eyeliner, is coming to her site on January 5th. Limited edition, 100% vegan with a creamy texture that's as black as you've ever wanted. Emme Cosmetics will launch 8 new eyeshadow colors today, including this fabulous violet, cruelty-free and vegan. Check out their awards program on their site. And Sephora Favorites has a new collection called the #Selfie Kit to blur, perfect, and enhance your features. Includes 5 deluxe sizes from ABH, Becca, Marc Jacobs, Milk Makeup, and Stellar, plus a full-size Tarte eyeliner for $28. That's it for now. We'll see you here same time tomorrow. Look for Makeup Minute extras on my Instagram. And don't forget our full-length weekly newscast, What's Up in Makeup, every Sunday morning on YouTube.